Are you worried about your heart health? Have you been looking for natural ways to clear up those blocked arteries and avoid a heart attack? Look no further. In this video, I am going to show you the top superfoods that will help unclog your arteries and improve your overall heart health. Hi everyone, welcome back to Vedic Wellness, and we are here to give you the lowdown on how to keep your heart healthy with some of nature's most nutrient-rich foods. Heart attacks are unfortunately common, but it doesn't mean they have to happen to you. We are sure many of us don't realize how much power we have over our own health, but luckily, there are ways we can prevent it from happening by just making small changes in our diet. Join us as we uncover the superfoods that will help unclog those arteries and keep your heart young and healthy. Number 1. Whole grains. Whole grains have been gaining popularity as the healthy choice in recent years, and for good reason. By choosing whole grains over refined grains such as white bread, we can reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grains contain all parts of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, while refined grains have had the bran and germ removed. This means that whole grains are not only more nutrient-dense, but also contain more fiber that can help us feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. So go ahead and swap out that white bread for some whole wheat bread or choose brown rice over white rice. Your heart will thank you in the long run. Number 2. Fish. Fish can do wonders for your health, especially if you make them a regular part of your diet. While some may think of fish as nothing more than a tasty dish, the truth is that they are packed with nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and promote overall wellness. Among the best options for anyone looking to improve their health and well-being are fatty fish like salmon and sardines, which are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These special compounds can help protect against a range of health issues, from heart disease to arthritis, and are a great way to ensure that you are getting the nutrients you need to look and feel your best. Whether you love cooking up a feast of fresh salmon or breaking open a can of your favorite sardines, making fish a part of your meal plan is a great way to support your overall health and vitality. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Maintaining good heart health is crucial for a long and healthy life, and incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet is an easy way to support this. These tiny powerhouses are packed with healthy fats that can help reduce levels of bad cholesterol in the blood, which can contribute to heart disease over time. Some research even suggests that incorporating nuts and seeds into the diet can help clear arteries and keep blood vessels functioning properly. So go ahead and sprinkle some chia seeds on your oatmeal, or snack on some almonds in the afternoon. Your heart will thank you. Number 4. Fruits and vegetables. If we want to keep our heart healthy and strong, it's essential to increase our intake of fruits and vegetables. These delicious foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help lower our risk of heart disease. Plus, they're so versatile that it's easy to incorporate them into our diet in fun and exciting ways. Whether we're roasting a variety of veggies for dinner or enjoying a refreshing fruit salad for dessert, we're doing our bodies, especially our arteries, a huge favor by fueling them with nutrient-rich foods. So, let's make a conscious effort to include more fruits and veggies in our meals every day and reap the benefits of a healthier heart. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only delicious but may also have some surprising health benefits. Recent studies suggest that indulging in dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa may actually help towards maintaining a healthy heart. By consuming dark chocolate, you may be able to reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body while boosting good cholesterol levels. This can lead to healthier arteries and ultimately, a healthier heart overall. So, next time you're in the mood for a sweet treat, reach for a bar of dark chocolate and feel good knowing that you're not only indulging in a tasty snack, but also benefiting your heart health. We now know that there are many factors that can contribute to heart disease and how important it is to take care of our cardiovascular health. By incorporating heart-healthy foods into our diets, exercising regularly, managing stress, and adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can lower our risk of heart disease and live longer, healthier lives. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos. Together, let's take small steps towards a healthier heart and a better tomorrow. See you in the next video.